Good morning. Bit cloudy. Supposed to be nice. We're just going to give the car a quick wipe down now. On the video it probably looks better than it is. There's a little bit of dust on it. The odd little bug on the front and on the windscreen. So we're just going to do the white walls as well. So we've got a little old Brillo pad in there just to go over the white walls. Got me Maguire's quick detailer and me Auto Glim fast glass, and we'll just give it a quick go and then get ready. We're off to Battlesbridge Antiques Centre today. Now regular viewers will know that we have been there before last year. This is the second one of the year for them, but the first time we're going this year. It should be a good turnout today, I think. We'll have to see. So, see you on the road. Alright, it's wiped down. I just wanted to see on the video if it's any different. So we'll, yeah. I don't know, I won't know till I go back to editing it. Yeah. Alright, see you on the road. A little bit hazy, but the sun's trying to come out, so that's all good. Changed the camera angle today because my wife has unexpectedly joined us. Say hello.
Hello.
Be interesting to see what that footage looks back like I've just done, where I did her before I'd wipe the car down and then after wipe the car down filming, put my teeth back in. And they say the camera never lies, but I think it does. Went a bit fast?
No, not you, that one.
Oh, me. Oh, him. Trying to catch that motorbike up. Motorbike come past earlier, just before I started filming, and looked like he was on the TT. Right, so where we're going today, as I said, Battlesbridge Antiques Centre. Been before, but this is the first time this year we've been there. And apparently they split the cars up now into different groups or ages or something like that, I don't know. So we'll see when we get there what's going on. They might not like us and we just get put in a regular car park, in which case we'll turn around and go home again. God, size of that beast.
Do you think that's going?
Yeah, I reckon he's going there. He might be. And if he is, I don't want to be parked next to him. I'll look little.
Yeah.
Park me next to that one. That'll do. I can still hear that truck. Now this one starts at 9 over here. We're now 6 minutes past. About another 5 minutes to go, I suppose. If he is going that truck, it needs to get over. No, he ain't coming, no. Tell you what, you'd be surprised though, some cars that turn it, you think, Jesus Christ mate, at least give it a look with a sponge, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably coming.
Yeah, I think he is.
Yeah. Didn't clock the number plate, but I've seen a couple like that, blue like that.
He's behind us, so.
Yeah. There's a load of wet down here. Humming along, aren't they? Them bikes. God, look at the water on the road. Alright, we're going up to the field. We're worthy. Is she waving at me or is she bringing a plane in? What's she doing?
She's doing.
John there.
We're going in the corner.
Morning, sir. Morning.
We're going in the corner.
Morning, mate.
There you go. We're in.
And we're in. There's a few coming in now, isn't there? That is something else. Wow. Nice good mixture coming in today, isn't there? Oh, Renault 5 Turbo. Right, I've not even looked around yet and I'm already saying that's car of the day for me. Definitely. Right, let's have a look about and see if we can better that Renault Turbo. Nice little moggy convertible. It's a clean little one, isn't it?
1986 rally or whatever. Lancia.
Lotus Cortina. Oh, you don't see them very often. LP100 pickup. Very nice. Very nice. Not seen that one before. It's a nice old wagon, isn't it? Let's have a look at this. I like this. It's nice, that, isn't it? I suppose they are trying to have a bit of a theme going. I mean, we've got Thunderbirds over there and a few Americans over here, but Toyota at the end. So I suppose there is a kind of theme going on. That like copper bronze one there, that's a lovely colour. Yeah, I like that. Wow.
No.
Nice old Jag. Daimler, beg your pardon. Nice old Daimler. Another Daimler. That's a nice Jag. This is nice. I do like a Cobra. Even though it ain't a real one, I still like it. That's nice as well, but I'd sooner have the blue one. Obviously, because we're partial to a blue, aren't we? Nice old M3 there. What's this? Oh, Lancia. Oh, wow. We've all seen one of them before. Nice old Jag. Another Lancia. I think I've seen that one before. Not seen that bug before. I like a TVR. I don't know whether I'll be able to get in and out one, but they're nice. Bit of MG there. Citroen Diane. My mate used to have a Citroen Diane back in the day. Took me round a roundabout in it. It was awful. Orion gear. Wow. See, these was common back in the day. You don't see them much now, do you? Really don't. What's this whole thing here? Singer. It's nice, isn't it? Look at that, how basic is that? Literally, they're just cushions just on the deck there, look. Wow. We're next to a nice Escort today. I suppose I could have parked at a bit of an angle, couldn't I, really? But hey ho, here's what it is. This is the TVR that followed us in. Wow, lovely.
It's not quick.
No, that's all right. Doesn't need to be, is it?
Yeah, got a nice little mix in. We'll have a little moggy there. Doug, 21. Nice little plate on it as well. These are nice. Always like them. Nice old Mercedes Sports over there. Nice shape, them. I prefer that shape to the neck shape. Old Ford Corsair. 3 little minis. People having their holiday. Won't get them on the film. Oh, I tell you what, that old sun's starting to warm up a bit now. Let's have a wander over there, see what we've got over here. Nice bug, nice colour, baby blue, I like that. Yeah, look at that LP100. Used to drive around in one of them back in the day. This is something else, isn't it? Look at this. Not saying I like it just because it's blue, but I do like, I've always liked these. Yeah, them and the Turbo 2s. Very nice. TR6, that's nice. Oh, it's for sale, the TR6. Just shy of 20. Oh, for sale due to ill health. That's a shame, isn't it? As again, usual. Wouldn't want to clean those alloys. I clean them ones, they're alright. Nice Porsche, not sure on the yellow headlights. Not sure on them. We've got here OST 220 for sale. There again, they're becoming a rare car nowadays. Nice old granny. God love a granny, ain't ya? Granny is in Granada, not a granny is in a granny, you know what I meant. RS Ford, not. My good lady likes them, but I don't care for much. That's a nice old TVR there. Little Blackpool car. Right, it's what's time now? We're now 20 to 10. I think we're going to go and find somewhere to eat, and then we'll probably send the drone up. See you in a bit. That's nice, look at that one. I like that. Little yummy. Wow. Nice SS, isn't it? Little Puma. Nice old Audi Quattro. Mustang. Is it me? Well, those wheels look a bit big. I never noticed this. Look at this Merc. That's something else, isn't it? Okay. We're going to change our best of the day to this now. Yeah, definitely. Cheers, mate. Didn't even see it until I turned round.
I know there's so much to look at here, isn't there?
This has just turned up. Sounds absolutely incredible.
Yes. Yes.
Look at this. I've seen this before. Testarossa.
Beautiful. See you again.
Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Beautiful old jag. Side pipes. Wow. God, it's well hot today. I mean, that's saying 28, that's saying the temperature. I wouldn't be surprised. Very little breeze. Got a little bit of drone footage there, but the let's turn the aircon up. But the battery weren't fully charged, so I couldn't do too much. Oh, dog's having a squint up. Lovely. What do you do today? Saw a dog have a squint up. She's not looking.
No. I don't think this little man. Thanks, bye.
See you at the next one. Well, we'll see what we're doing. Look at the dust that's kicked up. Yeah, it's a nice little meet here. Car park's full there as well, look.
Play area over there.
So I'd like to thank everybody yet again for watching. And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.